day. I'm stuttering already. A surprise live stream, an impromptu live stream. We haven't done this for a while, and we're going to be talking about the markets. We're going to be answering your questions live. Any questions you may have about cryptocurrency. We'll talk about Solana, Bitcoin, what I think is going on in the markets, and yeah, just answering your questions. Chilling on the beach with my nephew, sitting right next to me, right there, listening to a podcast. Yeah, his name's Dino, by the way. So yeah, man, so what's going on with the markets? We had so much going on. First of all, let's talk about what Bitcoin's doing, because Bitcoin is pretty much the indicator, the big dog of the markets right now, okay? So what Bitcoin does, the markets follow. Now, some might decouple from Bitcoin a while, but right now, you know, it's doing whatever the market's doing whatever Bitcoin does. And I'm seeing your chats already, man. We'll be talking to you guys in a bit, answering your questions. Now, Bitcoin looks bullish. And I can't pull up charts right now. I'm on my phone, as you can see, but Bitcoin looks bullish. And I told you that as long as we stay above that moving average, which was roughly at $44,000 a couple of days ago, we should be going up. As a matter of fact, we even hit a golden cross. So we should be going up from here. So I'm extremely bullish on the markets. I've always been bullish ever since 30K. And we are doing well. We're going to be doing good. You should be happy. Now, does this mean that it will never go down, or it can't go down, or something can't happen? No, not saying that at all. It can always go down. We're talking about probabilities right now. And I'm seeing a few questions about what a golden cross is when two moving averages, certain moving averages cross between themselves. But I don't want to really talk about technical analysis right now in this live stream. So Bitcoin is looking bullish, and what the direction it's going to go, it's going to take the market with it, and right now it's going to go up. So what does this mean? A lot of people are buying different coins, different cryptocurrencies right now, but they're not looking at the obvious ones. I'll give you an example. ADA, Cardano. A lot of people are not buying Cardano because the news came out, it didn't pump, or it dropped a little bit, whatever, and they're like, oh, okay, it didn't go up. Yeah, and it's getting boring. That's when you want to buy it. So I got a lot of friends asking me, oh, I'm going to sell my Cardano, I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy that. Okay, that's a good indicator. I'm buying Cardano. The other one that was a big chance, I don't know if you guys got it, was Solana. Solana dropped because of a technical problem they had. They were offline, and it dropped down a lot. That was a great buying opportunity. Now, I called the close to top on Solana, and we took a pretty big dive. This means it's actually a good buy right now. Oh, it's centralized. Yeah, so centralized doesn't mean you can't make money from it. Oh, Paul, yeah. Look, Solana is a good buy right now. So it's your chance to get into Solana. Those of you that missed the opportunity, for example, ask me, oh, we're gonna have a pullback. We're gonna buy the pullback. Guess what? Now there's a pullback. Everyone's too scared, right? See, what did you guys think? You thought that the devs and Solana wasn't gonna fix the issue? This was a blessing. You're lucky, right? There was an issue, technical issue. It got solved. Solana's already online. I actually made a video a while ago talking about how it's offline. It will be online soon, and it's already online. Unfortunately, I missed the video opportunity, if you will. But, you know, it's a good buy right now. It held support. It's got support. It's probably going to move sideways for a little bit, then shoot up and break its all-time highs. That's the way I see it. I see Solana doing very, very well. As for this centralized, decentralized stuff, yeah, okay, I prefer decentralized blockchains myself. It doesn't mean you can't make money from centralized ones, or if it's centralized or not, doesn't matter, it's debatable, right? So that's a good buy. So you got ADA, you got Solana, which also means what? The ecosystem coins. Like for example, on Solana, that would be Radium and Serum, right? And there's a few more that you can look at. So that's what you want to be looking at. You also the equivalent ones for ADA. Another project to look at right now is Polkadot. Polkadot's a great buy. Polkadot's going to do look, guys, Polkadot and its ecosystem, as well as Kusama, because it's a sister chain of Polkadot, are going to do very well this year. And now, there are two coins that most people are forgetting about. Everyone's getting into everyone's getting in a whole bunch of shit, but the ones I mentioned, but there's two coins that everyone's forgetting about. Do you know what they are? Come on, I'll give you a guess. What are they? What are the two coins that everybody's forgetting about. Bitcoin and Ethereum. And when I say Bitcoin and Ethereum, I mean you should be accumulating your profits into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because at some point, Bitcoin is going to shoot up and also won't be able to catch up. Then it's going to reach a top where altcoins are going to start shining before a massive drop, and then on that massive drop, it's going to take altcoins with it, and it's going to do that again. It's going to be a bear market. I'm not telling you it's going to happen soon. I'm telling you what's going to happen. So you want to be accumulating Bitcoin as a store of value, and Ethereum, because Ethereum's not going to go anywhere. Ethereum 2.0 is coming out. It's decentralized. You guys now see, okay, oh, it's slow, it's this, it's that. Yes, but it's safe. They tried to get attacked, and they shook it off like it was nothing, like it was a wave, right? So that's why you should be getting into Ethereum as well. So you do not forget about Ethereum and Bitcoin. Just do not forget about it. Just don't. I'm going to go through the chats right now and look at your questions. And because I'm on the phone, I'm going to be poking the screen. I'm not poking you, but I'll be poking the screen. By the way, hit that like button, subscribe down below if you like videos like this one. If it's your first time here, please check out my other videos before you subscribe. And if you agree or if you like what I have to offer, what I bring to the table, then subscribe so you don't miss another video. Let me go down here and see what is going on in the chat here. I see Paris Ramirez saying hi, what's up? I see Gabriel D. Paul looking good, thank you, man, I appreciate it. Janine Carter saying hello, hi, how you doing? What is the Golden Cross? We answered that. Scott P, what's up, what's up? So Gabriel D is buying FTM, which I suggested we've been buying it for a while now, at all-time high right now, but it's a good buy. Okay, I'd wait for a pullback. But you're saying it's all-time high, but is it all-time high? Because I think we already went down. It might be a little bit higher, unless I missed something, but I think it's a good level to buy. Listen, FTM is going to do very well this year. FTM, I think, is going to break $10 by the end of this year, in my opinion. What mid-caps are worth longing right now? I just gave you a few. Atom is another one that you could be looking at. Polygon's another one you can be looking at. Kusama, I think I mentioned that already. Obviously, I mentioned DOT and some other ones. And their ecosystems, right? You want to be looking at their ecosystems. What happened, Paul? Where are you relaxing at? Where am I? I'm in Lutza, Greece. And you know what? This place, by the way, let me show you real quick. Let me show you real quick. Wait a second. Try and turn the camera around. So that's the beach. And this place pretty soon is going to be my fishing place because I know you like fishing. I'm the fish over there, I'm the fish over here, I'm the fish over there, and see if I catch anything and see if it's a good fishing place. I haven't fished there before. We'll see. Now that, you know, it's September, it's not so hot. Might be a good chance to take my nephew here for fishing. He's all in his podcast right now, being all serious. All right, let's see. Avalanche, yes, Avalanche is a good buy with its, I can't believe I forgot to mention that. Avalanche and its ecosystem, very, very good buy. I'm actually accumulating, especially the ecosystem coins. And I made a video about that the other day, about 2 coins people are missing on the AVAX. 2 simple coins to buy on the AVAX ecosystem. I made a video the other day, I think it was the day before yesterday. Check that video out after this live stream. Nick Gunner says, hi, what's your opinion about Sonar? I don't know about Sonar. I really don't know much about it, so I can't really answer that. Sorry, man. And Mover made a play. I think Mover? I think MOVR made a play. It did a pretty good marketing move the other day by sending an email for, I think it was them, I'm not sure, about crypto YouTubers sort of contest. I thought that was an excellent marketing play. But I don't know much about Mover, so I can't really answer that question right now anyway. Solana buying price for long term. I see Solana over $500, close to $1,000 by the end of this year or by the end of the bull market at least. Paulo Meta. Hello, I'm sorry. What do you think this problem is with Solana? I don't like to sell when drops. I buy $30, so I'm waiting for things. Well, it's already solved. So there was a technical issue. Something happened on Radium. I think there was some sort of a DDoS attack. And they were offline for a while. For a long while, actually. I think it was 6 hours, 8 hours, maybe more. There was a lot of panic. But if you noticed, Solana held its price even though there was a lot of panic, and that's because there's a lot of huge investors, institutional investors in Solana, in my opinion. So the price didn't fall that much. The floor didn't go down that much. When we had our retracement, I did call the top a while ago saying we're going to go down quite a bit, and we did. Call it luck that this event happened, that we went down faster, but it's a very good buying opportunity. 20 people watching, smash the like button. Yeah, I agree, Ryan, I totally agree with you. I think that's the best comment so far. What's up, Paul? How's life treating you? Life is hard, man. Life is hard. Life is harsh, but we're doing what we can to be able to keep moving and survive and relax at the beach right now, as you can see, and we'll do what we can. Solana buying price for a long time, I think I already have said that. Accumulate Solana, it's going to do well. Do you think QI is a good buy? QI is a good buy. Well, if QI is what I think it is, and that would be a project under the AVAX ecosystem, and it's available on KuCoin, if I'm not mistaken, then yes, it's a very good buy. I bought some myself. Nick Gunner says, thanks, your prediction for Cardano. My prediction is not changing, $4 to $7, 10 at the very top once things go crazy. But $4 to $10 is still my vision for Cardano by the end of this year. Is that I'm going to stick by that. I've been saying that since the beginning of this year. So you're welcome, Paolo. Bitcoin 60K or 40K first? Oh, what a great question. What a great question. Well, even if we hit 40K, it's going to be a 38 to 40K. Look, if we go under 40K, if we go under 44,000 or 43,000 on the weekly close meaning we close the week under 44,000, 43,000, which is, I don't know, Sunday, right? I would be a little worried that we're going to go down lower, but I wouldn't panic. We want to give it a little leeway. Theoretically, that would be a very bad sign. But I'm going to call 40K psychological. I'm going to call 40K psychological with 38K being where I'm going to start panicking. Not panicking, but worried if we go under. But I really don't think we are. I might be wrong about this, obviously, but I really don't think we are. I think we're going to go up from here. But if we do, no problem. We might have one more little pullback and keep on going up. Now, also that like call is a very non-fair call because we're closer to 40K than 60. That said, we kept the 44K. I've been telling people 44K. We kept that line in the sand. I think we're going to go 60K first. This is just me. This is a 50-50 bet. 51% we're going to go to 60K first. How about that? That's the best answer I can give you. Just for fun, no technical analysis. I'm on the beach, no charts, just for fun, right? So don't hold me against it. No, I'm not betting a stake, which I won the other day, the other time from someone, but I'm just saying. All right, let's see what else we have here. Chainlink prediction. I think Chainlink's going to do very well. I think Chainlink's going to at least hit $100 by the end of the year. If not, $80, if not, but I think we're going to hit $100. Do you think Atom will go up? Yes, I do. And what is your price prediction? I don't have a price prediction on Atom. I just don't have a price prediction on Atom. I know it's going to go up, maybe 2-3x, but I haven't done like a price prediction on Atom. I have not, so I can't really answer that question. Any advice? Sorry. If I should sell Ethereum Classic and invest in Solana? Very good question. You should have sold Ethereum Classic a long time ago because all the developers are on Ethereum. Ethereum Classic was a fork and they're trying to promote themselves as a classic Ethereum, but they're not. And even if they are, it doesn't matter. No one really cares. News is over. So they're just pumping and taking profits without really doing anything on the chain. So I don't know if you should put your Ethereum Classic in Solana specifically, which I would. But personally, I think you should be out of Ethereum Classic regardless. So if that helps. And all this is not financial advice. This is just me on the beach giving you my opinion to everyone here, whatever I'm saying about the crypto markets, right? We're having some fun here. Let's go up, down. So be wary. And yes, I would definitely put it in Solana. QNT will do very well. Gabriel, I believe QLD does very well. VXV and LALBT, I have no idea about it. I really do not, so I can't really answer that question. But it's something I might look into soon. What's your opinion on Cardano price? $47. Is Atom a good buy right now? Yes. I have a very long view on it, then definitely yes. And I'm trying to accumulate, then definitely yes. If you have a long-term view on Atom, then yes, it's a good accumulation zone, even if it goes down, right? So I'm bullish on Atom. I recently bought a little bit more myself. I'm a bit, a lot of people think I'm perfect in my calls. And even though I get a lot right on video, I've made mistakes. I sold Atom a little too early and I got back in. And went up, I got a little bit more back in, so I'm bullish on Atom. But then again, what I got into from Atom also went up, so it's the same shit. I just lost the fees, that's all. Still in profit. Paulo says, I'm sorry to ask, but you know about BitSwap maybe. I know is another swap. I have no idea about it, man, I'm really sorry. You're welcome. Bull run end prediction. I don't know the date of the bull run end, but I did do a video about how it's going to end so you can recognize it. And here's, I'll give you a summary real quick right now, right? If anybody spams and repeats questions, I'm not going to answer them because that's just so a whole, a lot of people were asking the same question. So just, be patient, we'll get to you. So Bitcoin is going to run up, so are the else. Now, usually at the end of a bull market, this doesn't mean it's an exact science, there's a blow off top, Bitcoin goes down, but altcoins continue running for a few weeks. But Bitcoin goes down. And then as altcoins run up, Bitcoin goes down again, and then altcoins start to go down and they further crash more than Bitcoin, right? So this is why, and then Bitcoin just goes down more, and then that's it. Like we're entering a bear market, and then there's bear, we get into the bear market, and it might be crypto winter and so on. So what you want to do is you want to try and recognize this. You got to look at all the technicals as well, obviously, but try and recognize this. So when you see the pump, this is why I always say take profits. You should always take profits. You cannot go wrong with taking profits. Even if you take profits into Bitcoin. Even if we have that drop, at least you have Bitcoin to buy the dip, all the altcoins, or Bitcoin to cash out and lose less money. But while still staying part of the crypto bull run, or still be partly in crypto, if that makes sense. But that's basically a rundown of it. Your thoughts on Cody? I don't have any thoughts on Cody. But thanks for being a member, Igor. I really appreciate you, man. Paul, is EOS dead or has it appeared to grow? Okay. So EOS is going to have its run. So if you want to make a flip, if you want to buy EOS, get a run, and then flip it back to something else or take profits into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something like that, that might be a good play. So I think EOS will do well. I think we're going to revisit the $14 range. And then we're going to revisit the all-time highs at some point, which, if I remember correctly, was around $20, $22 or something like that. This is not 100%, but I think EOS is a good play, and that's something I'm going to try and do as a flip. Once I take profits into Bitcoin, some of those profits will go into EOS. All right. What's your opinion on Cardano price? Can you hit this? You already answered that, $47 at least. Doge will grow. Yeah, I think Doge will grow as the leading meme coin, which is a dangerous play, but I think it's going to re-hit $1 at some point. I wouldn't bet the farm on it, but it's a fun thing to get into and hold, and it's a meme coin. That's its use case, that's its purpose. It's the king of memes, which is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. Now, back when I was saying to everyone it's a meme coin and should be treated as such, I got a lot of hate. No, now it's different now. Look, it's going to be the new currency. No, it's not. It's going to be a meme coin. It will always be a meme coin, and it should be proud that it's such a good meme coin because it's got a good community behind it. BitRS, invest all your money in safer, not financial advice. Yeah, that is the stupidest, shittiest advice you could possibly take. SafeMoon has no purpose or use case. It just doesn't. And I've made multiple videos about it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to get into it now. But if anybody can answer me what SafeMoon solves or what its purpose is, then we'll see. But it's complete shit, in my opinion. Do you own any Zilliqa? I do not. I used to have Zilliqa. The only reason I don't have Zilliqa now is I believe other cryptocurrencies are going to run more than Zilliqa. I know how Zilliqa works. I know its use case. We use Zilliqa on Mintable. The Mintable.app is an NFT marketplace and platform. We do gasless NFT creations on Zilliqa. So it works. It's very good. It's very fast. But I don't think its run's going to be in this bull run. Now, if you want to buy some Zilliqa, it's not a bad idea. I just think other coins, I got more hype around them right now. They're going to run more. All right. If you want to invest for 5 years, in between, can I book my profit or wait 5 years? If I want to invest, no, you can invest for 5 years, and if you need to take profit or if you want to take profit in between, you go ahead. I do. I've invested for 5 years and I took profits many times. There's never anything wrong with taking profits. Never anything wrong with taking profits, believe me. And you can keep it on the side, use some of it, or buy the dips with it, right? So there's nothing wrong with it. Ethereum or ADA, which is better to put your money into? Both. But Ethereum is more long-term in my opinion. Please check Biswap and we have. I don't do casinos, and I can't check it on my phone, so there's no way I can check it even if I wanted to. What do you think prices of altcoins will be during bear market? They're going to go down 85. They're going to go down 90 to 95%, most of them, and a lot of them are going to vanish and never see the daylight again. I'm a big fan from you for India. How you doing, India? Really appreciate it. Scott P says, SafeMoon or Daddy Doge? Neither. They're both shit. The Born Assaulter. If I want to invest 5 years long term in between, I already answered that. Just see, I don't want to give advice, just your opinion is very important. That's fine, but I can't see it on my phone. I'm literally on the beach on my phone. This is my camera, so there's no way for me to see it, man. Helium is a good play. It could do very well. Not my favorite, but they're doing very well. I know they're doing very well with hotspots and everything as well. I did look into Helium. I'm not into it anymore, but I might get back into it. As for investing into SafeMoon, no, it's not. It's a stupid thing to do. Anyone looking to host a Helium hotspot, let me know. Okay. Good gaming coins to be a bear proof. Gaming coins. That's a good idea. That's a good question. I'm into gaming coins. I've actually mentioned some in videos. I've done a video on it. I'm going to do a video with 5 best ones to hold pretty soon, the next coming days. So subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss that video. I'm going to do 5 best gaming tokens to hold. But I'll tell you one right now, and that is, well, I'll just say this. Red Fox is slipped under the radar. Red Fox has slipped under the radar. So take that with, do whatever you want with that information. Hello, how are you and your health? My health is okay, man. I'm doing well. What's up, Dave Flowers? Do you think Shiba will ever make people rich? I'll give you a secret in crypto. When a lot of people think they're going to get rich, especially teenagers, and then I'm not attacking anyone here, but when everybody's like, oh, SafeMoon to the moon, we're going to go rich, or Shiba Inu to the moon, as soon as everyone goes crazy, understand that there's no way a lot of people will become millionaires, especially not dumb people. I'm not saying anyone's dumb here, I'm just saying. So when you see that, it's time to get out. So I don't think Shiba will make a lot of people rich. I think it might make some people rich. If you want to hold Shiba, fine, it's a gamble. I hold a very small amount, maybe $100 of it, but I don't think it's going to do much. And I don't think that mentality, but gambler's mentality, is good for crypto. I think you should be researching more coins and DeFi and stuff like that, NFTs, that can really make you money, but also train your mind to think, invest, and get into these projects and take you a step further, if that makes sense. FTM, a good buy right now? Yes, it is. Last time I checked, I don't know what the price is right now. Gonna be good Solana? Yes, I think Solana's gonna do very well. What I would be buying Solana and FTM. What else have potential to do 50 to 100x? I don't like answering these questions. I like doing 10x, and then if it's, a lot of people try to, okay, gaming tokens, NFTs, certain layer 2s and layer 1s will do 50x, but I don't like doing that because a lot of people just ape into that, and it's just not a good, I don't think it's a good look for people to try and do that on YouTube. That's not where your mind's supposed to be. Hi, where are you from? Hello from Ireland. Hey Ireland, how are you? Ireland, the land of Iris, the goddess Iris in ancient Greece. That's what they used to say anyway, that we're connected. I'm from Greece, by the way.